This isn't just a car, it's the last year chrome bumper MG MGB, a red-hot British legend that turns heads, roars like a classic, and makes every drive feel like a movie. Stick around, because in the next few minutes you're going to see why this vintage roadster isn't just for collectors. It's a driving dream you can actually take home today. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping back in time and taking a closer look at one of the most iconic British sports cars ever built, the 1,974 milligrams MGB. This isn't just any MGB, this is a last year chrome bumper model with a full restoration, and it's ready to hit the road in style. If you're a classic car enthusiast or just love the charm of vintage roadsters, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Right off the bat, this MGB makes an impression. The professional red paint on this car is absolutely stunning, deep, glossy, and perfect for a sunny day drive along winding roads. And yes, it's got the classic chrome bumpers, the kind that instantly say British sports car legend. Being a 1974 model, it's one of the last MGBs to come out with chrome bumpers, which adds a little extra collector value. Pop the hood and you're greeted by a 1.8 liter inline 4 engine paired with dual SU carburetors. This setup gives the car that classic throaty MG sound that enthusiasts chase after. It's not just about looks. This engine responds beautifully to the throttle, giving you that connected, lively driving experience that makes roadsters so addictive. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, every gear change feels precise and mechanical, reminding you of a time when driving wasn't just transportation, it was an experience. Handling is sharp thanks to front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, which provide a solid stopping power balance for a vintage car. The 14-inch factory-style wheels wrapped in 185/70 R14 tires keep the car planted while maintaining that authentic vintage look. It's a car designed to hug corners with confidence, yet still offers the easygoing drive that makes Sunday cruises so much fun. Slide into the cabin and you're welcomed by vinyl bucket seats, comfortable and true to the era. The vinyl convertible top is soft and pliable, ready for open-air driving on a sunny day. And for those who want a touch of modern convenience, this particular MGB comes with an aftermarket JVC Bluetooth radio, so you can stream your favorite tunes while still enjoying the classic roadster experience. The manual convertible top keeps you engaged, letting you drop it down in seconds for that full British sports car thrill. What really makes this car stand out is how well it's been maintained. This MGB is in very good restoration condition, and it shows. Every line, every chrome detail, every paint panel speaks to careful attention and pride in ownership. Whether you're looking for a weekend cruiser, a showpiece for car meets, or a collector's classic that could appreciate in value, this MGB is pure joy. There's a connection between you, the car, and the road that's almost lost in modern vehicles. You feel every bump, every corner, and every roar of the engine. The combination of lightweight, responsive steering and precise brakes gives you a sense of control that's rare these days. And let's not forget the iconic British style. You can't help but turn heads as you roll down the street in a vibrant red MGB with its top-down chrome gleaming engine purring. At a price of $20,995, this 1974 milligrams MGB is a fantastic opportunity. You're getting a piece of automotive history, a beautifully restored classic roadster, and a car that's ready to deliver countless smiles per mile. From the last year chrome bumpers to the dual carburetors, this MGB has that perfect mix of charm, performance, and authenticity that collectors and enthusiasts dream of. So if you're looking for a classic British roadster that delivers everything you want in a vintage sports car, the 1974 milligrams MGB is a perfect choice. It's more than a car, it's a driving experience, a lifestyle, and a conversation starter wherever you go. Whether you're cruising along the coast, heading to a car show, or simply enjoying a sunny weekend drive, this MGB delivers on every level. Don't miss out on a chance to own a piece of British motoring history. Hit that like button if you love classic cars, subscribe for more amazing automotive content, and let us know in the comments if you'd take this MGB for a spin. Trust me, once you experience it, you'll understand why the MGB remains one of the most beloved roadsters of all time.